day. And now, he is the senior pastor in Gwangju, Sekwang Presbyterian Church.
We just come only 12 represent in our church. Our church with the other churches combined, and then we have this ATS by prayer and financials. Also, our church continue to pray for the Filipino evangelization. Also, we introduce ourselves. Mamento Pergo is my old friend, and starting our schools, he is serving us. Right now, he has a pastor in Minamona. Also, other many steps and servant help our school for the 30 years. First of all, as classmates, and second, sincere Filipino faculties, and then the staffs help this church, these schools. Also, a lot of Korean and churches and the members pray and helping this seminar. So today, we have a graduation ceremony. That's all. Let's begin to the Lord. Praise the Lord.
Lorenzo Pinlupa, Biminda Piston,
first time in their lives, have worn a toga today? Come on, don't be shy. Kasi ang alam ko, maraming mga pastors, mga Christian workers, during their secular education, they were not so serious, so mga drop out sila, mga out. I, for one, studied, I took up my college education at Mapua, but I never graduated. I wasn't able to wear my toga. I spent 4 years, but I only got a 2-year education from Mapua. And they recognized my efforts because they gave me an honorable discharge. But God redeemed me. I got my redemption when I studied at the other APS, where Peter also graduated some of our faculty, Asian Theological Seminary. 1996, for the first time in my life, nakapagsuot ako ng toga. I was so proud of myself, you know. It was a big honor for me because wearing a toga is a symbol of what you have achieved through your studies. So you be honored today, you know. Savor the moment, relish the moment that you're wearing the toga. Kasi huwag niyo nang bubarin yan. Pero I would really suggest you hang it, you know, anywhere at your home that you will always see it every day. Okay, to remind you of what you have attained, to remind you of your achievement, because what you have proven really is you are disciples of Jesus Christ. What is a disciple? A learner. Diba? Yung po yung sabi ng disciple, you are a learner. So, congratulate yourself that you have proven to God that you are learners of Jesus Christ.